Hello everybody, thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to take you through a page that uses a lot of scraps and a lot of leftover products. I've pulled out this particular photo and I'm going to run through my papers, rummage through and just find a few sheets that I think might work as a background piece because I want to work on a 12 by 12 background. And once I've run through it all and made a few decisions, I go with my gut and I pull out this Starburst Effect paper. Now this isn't a pre-made paper, it's one I've actually made myself. Every time you create a starburst like this, you actually get two backgrounds for the price of one. And I'll show you how to do that at some point. With these starburst backgrounds though, a square photo works really well. So I've cut my photo down and I've pulled out some scraps from my scraps box. And true to form, I'm just going to play around. I'm going to layer up bits of paper. I don't use huge amounts. You'll see I'm not using large pieces. I'm doing a little bit of matting and then everything is sort of shaved down and cut in and tucked in from the side. Moved around a lot just to create some grounding, some texture, and also to make my papers go further because we keep scraps we like, and it's a really nice way to just use up papers that we enjoy and still have some left over. So like this light teal polka dot, I'm using two pieces of it, but I've still got some left. The bit I'm putting on now is actually a Project Life card. Now I do have a stash of Project Life cards, but Project Life isn't for me. So I look for other ways to use the cards. Whether I'm cutting them down and just using little bits of it or whether I'm using a full card, doesn't matter. I've moved on to rummage through my embellishments, and this is always my next stage, is I start to add embellishments here and there, whether it's washi, whether it's stickers, and I run through everything and just pull out things that I like the look of, colours that I think might work, patterns, shades, themes even, dare I say it, that may or may not work with the piece that I'm creating. And I just start to add bits here, bits there, and you'll see it's a very organic process for me. There's nothing fixed, there's nothing that can't be moved around. So you'll see that I lay things down, I put them down, I'll pick them up again. It's one of these, it's not over till the fat lady sings. Nothing has to be permanent. So I add bits here, I add bits there, a few dots here, a few dots there, and you'll see me trying out a lot of the pieces on this that I don't actually use. Things like the thread, like the globe tags, I don't use them, but I go with my gut instinct on them. If I think they might work, I'll pop them down, see what happens. I can always take them off again. Like I say, it's a very organic process for me. So once I've got through most of the embellishing, I'll start to pull out my letter stickers, and I do exactly as I do with the papers and the embellishments. I just pull out things I think might work. Now I do have a large box of stickers. My deal with that box is if it doesn't fit in the box, something has to go to make room for it. I cannot have more than that box, so it gets quite interesting when I'm trying to use things up. Now with this, I did pull out a lot of pre-made words, pre-cut words, and I want them to actually stand up off the page. I want them to make sense, if you like. I don't like them falling into the background. So the cut words, pre-cut words, I did away with and went with my gut, which was to just go for Dream Life. And the life side of things, that particular font just delves into the background, so it needed something to lift it up. So for that I've used washi tape because washi cures everything. And really that's it, that's all there is to it. It's a few scraps of paper, some letters and some washi and a photograph. I did do a little bit of journaling on this page, which you won't see me do very often because I don't tend to journal much, but that's it. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to try the Starburst Effect, I will try and pull together a video. Alternatively, you can just Google it. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this page come together, and if you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see more of or less of, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Thank you. Bye.